What kind of work does silicon do when ingested into the body? Studies have shown that once silicon is absorbed into the body, it is distributed to all tissues in the body, including the lymph nodes. Since silicon is present everywhere in the human body, it can be said to be an indispensable substance for humans. The main function of silicon is its antioxidant effect, which protects the organs in the body from oxidation. The main functions of silicon in the body can be broadly summarized into 8 groups. This time, let's explain in a little more detail about these 8 bones. Do you know what bones are made of? If you ask me this question, I'm sure you'll get the answer: calcium. This is half correct. In fact, calcium, phosphoric acid, collagen, and silicon are required to build bones. How is silicon involved in bone structure? Silicon acts like a glue, reinforcing collagen and firmly binding calcium and phosphoric acid. An epidemiological study called the Framingham Study, conducted in the United States, revealed that the higher the intake of silicon, the higher the bone density. Therefore, this study concluded that silicon has a greater effect on bone density than calcium. Bone components' bone mass peak at age 18 and gradually decrease with age. As bone mass decreases, bone density decreases, making it easier to develop osteoporosis and fractures. If you suffer a fracture in old age, you may have to rest for a long period of time, which increases the possibility that your muscles will weaken and become bedridden. There are approximately 200 bones in the human body, but the roles of bones can be broadly categorized into 4. The first is the role of the skeleton, which supports the body. The second is the role of the skeleton in the sense of protecting internal organs. The third role is to act as a reservoir for storing calcium. When there is a lack of calcium in the body, it decomposes bones and replenishes calcium. And the fourth role is as bone marrow, which makes blood with the bone marrow inside the bones. What is important about bones is bone quality, not bone density. Even with a high density of calcium, bones can easily break. What is important is collagen, which has the role of binding calcium to calcium. Silicon, which acts as an adhesive, allows this collagen to work more firmly. In other words, silicon is the unsung hero of building strong bones. Therefore, if the body continues to be deficient in silicon, it will not be able to function properly and risks will increase. Let's be proactive about consuming silicon on a daily basis.